Hey, what's up you guys? Today we're going to show you how to load your Nissan Murano onto a U-Haul Tow Dolly. Now your Murano may slightly differ from the one we're using in this video, but let's start by prepping our towing vehicle and our tow dolly.
First, make sure that the towing vehicle is in park with the parking brake set. Double check the trailer's wiring harness, coupler, and safety chains to make sure that they are securely attached to the towing vehicle. Fully extend both ramps at the rear of the dolly. Free the tire straps from the ratchets and lay them flat on the ramps. Next, fold the ratchet handle down. Then repeat on the other side. Center the vehicle to be loaded behind the car dolly. While loading the vehicle, drive slowly and have an observer make sure the front of the vehicle does not hit the ramps. During the loading process, have your guide stand off to the side. Continue slowly up the ramps until the vehicle's tires come to rest against the stops at the front of the dolly. Vehicle should be centered on the platform. If it is off to one side, you need to offload and reposition. Once loaded, the towed vehicle needs to have the steering wheel locked. Loop the seatbelt through the bottom center of the steering wheel and fasten it. Move the seat back to add more tension. Next, position the straps up and over the front tires, making sure that they are centered over the tire. Move each strap ratchet left or right to align it with the center of the tire. Route the straps through the slot of the ratchet spool, making sure at least 6 inches of the strap passes through the spool. Tighten the ratchet, folding the handle down when done. Then repeat on the other side. Finish securing the vehicle by fastening the security chains to the frame or other structural member of the vehicle. Leave some slack in the chain, looping the chain around and securing it through an open link using the S-hooks. Then repeat on the other side. Secure the tow ramps by lifting them and sliding them back into the car dolly until the latch pins re-engage. Recheck the tire straps and all hookup connections after the first 5 miles, again after 50 miles, and thereafter at all stops during your travels. For more information, you can visit your closest U-Haul store or uhaul.com.